Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a review on the Beetles Gel Polish Christmas set for this year that I just got, and you're gonna want to stick around. It's a little different than the other sets that Beetles has come out with. There's a couple things different, so stick around. Thanks for joining me today. And let's get to making some swatches. All right, everybody, I've got 5 nail tips here ready to be swatched. And you'll say 5? Why only 5? These Beetle boxes usually come with 6. Because you guys are going to be amazed. Look at this. Look at. Here's their Christmas set in navy. I just got delivered. Okay, take it out. Got the application guide, which we're used to having. And oh, what is this? We have some snowflake stickers. Woohoo! Little free artsy stuff. Gotta love it. So when I first opened it, I'm looking at it going, what on God's green earth is this? I have 4 colors, or 5 colors, I'm sorry. And is that an empty bottle? Because I'm going to be really ticked off if that's an empty bottle. It's not an empty bottle. I'll show you what it is. They included the nail strengthener hardener. So if you guys do nails, you know what this is. This is going to be like your structure soak-off gels, your Jimmy gel, your foundation gels. These are going to be that under layer before the color. So it's clear. It's a little thicker, not super runny. So you see it's not falling off my brush. It's not falling off the brush. So it's a little thicker. And yeah, so this and this are what's new to the Christmas package from Beetles. Very cool. I'm pretty excited. This, foundations we get all the time, all different kinds. It was nice that they included it because if you're going to use their products, then use their products. Okay, so we're going to pull out all these little bottles here. And these ones are numbered in the 400 range. Go ahead and put my box to the side. So it looks like 471, 72. I don't know where 73 is. 74, 75, and 76. All right. So it's going to look like a navy, a silver sparkle, a white, a light blue, and this is a blue sparkle. I couldn't wait. I had to pop it open. It's incredibly gorgeous. So let's start at the 471 and work our way down. Okay, so the 471. We're going to see how this goes. Now, Beetles are always super pigmented. Oh, this is brighter than I thought. I thought this was going to be more like a navy. Maybe second coat, it's a navy. I must have a little fuzzy or something on my nail tip. Or I just didn't shake it well enough. Oh, I didn't shake it at all, actually. So, let's see. Maybe I'll try that with the next one. We'll do it with the second coat. So the 472 is your silver. It goes on smooth. It's a finer glitter. So first coat, it's definitely not opaque. Like I can see through it, so it will layer over top of everything. So that's good. All right, so that's 472. I'm going to go back and put a second coat on 471. Well, let's see if this changes some. I think it's going to wind up being a brighter blue, though. It's nice. It's almost kind of glassy. That glassy look always just reminds me of ice. Whether it's a blue or a silver, or it's just an icy look to me, a cool look. So if you can see, like you can see my gloves through underneath there, it's kind of sheer. Now, you can always add depth to these by putting a black underneath or adding a white to make it pop and be brighter. Those are the tricks of the trade. If you want to add some depth, you throw a black on, and if you want to make them pop, you put a white base coat underneath. Just a little tip for you. Okay, so that's 471. We might as well just go ahead and layer a second coat on 472 because I'm sure that this is going to be sheer as well. Second coat, we'll see. It gets a little more opaque. It's really a very pretty silver. I don't know that you can see all the shimmer in it, but it's very, very pretty. 3 coats may get you full coverage, but once again, you can see through it. So you could throw a white, a light gray. Actually, you know what? I lied. Bad girl, I lied. Okay, so 474 I thought was white. 474 is not white. It looks white, but it's not white. Ooh, maybe I'm wrong. Well, maybe that one is white. Oh, so, okay. I didn't lie at all. Okay, 474 is the white. And you can layer that. The Beetles white usually gives a pretty nice coverage. So thin coats are good. 2 thin coats of white. And you can't really see my glove through stuff. So that's a good thing. All right, the 475. Oh, this is the one I was thinking of. This is kind of like a gray blue. And once again, very winter themed. Very, very pretty. This one has nice coverage. Very opaque. Don't see my glove through them. So, 2 thin coats of this will be just perfect. And last is the 476. This one was so much fun. Oh, I just absolutely love this one. I don't know if you guys can see that sparkle coming out of that container, but it's kind of like a steely blue gray sparkle. It is awesome. Like, I wish that I could just order single things of Beetles for some of my most popular colors that people like. When I first started getting these and trying them out during the beginning of COVID. I liked that they were smaller bottles. I didn't have as much waste. You know, just earlier today, I was cleaning out some of my products and stuff was being thrown away because it had sat there for so long and never got used. But to my surprise, these Beetle colors are actually so pretty. Customers choose them on a regular basis, and I tend to run out of them. So I actually kind of need some of these colors in larger bottles that I can buy just like, oh, if you gave me this one in a big bottle, oh my gosh, I think I'd have to have 3 for the holiday season just to get through, because look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. All right. So those are the colors. And the next thing I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to see how these apply. I hate doing the stuff with gloves on. My nails are a hot mess, guys. I was putting down flooring in my son's house, so my floors or my nails are a mess. I cut them all off, and I haven't done anything with them. Okay, so here's our little white snowflakes. Let me get out a little pair of tweezers. And I don't know, I'm just gonna pop one off of here random, if I can. Ooh, I sure can. Let's see how thick or thin these are. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so they're thin, and they have got some great adhesive to them. So these suckers pop right off, and, okay, let's just, wonder what this little angel lady looks like. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Make sure you grab it from the right side, guys. Okay. So here's the little angel lady. And I kind of want to put it down and anchor it with my one hand before I press it. Okay. So this is good to know, like these work. These are functionable. Look at these little dots here. Once again, the wrong side, Nicole. Use the right side. Oh no, maybe I did have the right side. I don't know. So, yeah, is this the right one? There's plenty in here. I don't know how you guys do your pricing, but for myself, if you've got an accent nail on each hand, you're getting at least $5 upcharge depending on what it is. So I paid, I think, $13 for this set. So how many times am I going to have to put, honestly, 3 people with some snowflakes to pay for my whole set? Like, it's the upcharge. It's wonderful. And it's the perfect time of year to do that. I am not a fan usually of nail decals, but let me tell you, the industry is changing, and I have been coming across more and more that are thinner made and have a good adhesive to them. So you can just keep layering these suckers all over down this nail. And, ooh, I should play with a little bit of that. But I don't know if I want to play with it just for fun, or if I'd rather wait and use it on an actual client. It's like a border of snowflakes. Can you see? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So there you have it. There's my review on the Beetles gel polish. The winter set, the Christmas set, I'm sorry, the Christmas set that they came out with in the navy. And I will go ahead and get these all displayed out for you here in just a second. Think I'm in love, guys. Think I'm in love. I really just can't get over. They're great. I don't know what else to tell you. Except Beetles, hey, Beetles, please make us a little bit bigger bottles. Just a little bit bigger. It doesn't have to be the 15 mLs. Or no. Yeah, it doesn't have to be. We're okay with a 10 maybe. Anyway, they're awesome. Thumbs up. Definite 10. Would recommend. Do recommend. Cannot tell you how many times I love these Beetles polishes. So I do have one more set that I got. It is the autumn set, and maybe I'll go back and do a review on those. So I guess it's time to say happy holidays, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.